Hi everybody, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about my little jewelry collection, and I'm going to tell you guys where I bought this piece at or who gave me the piece. My jewelry collection is very, very small. I have this little box, and it looks like that on the side, kind of reflective. I kind of got food on it, but that's overall a nice box, and it's one of those boxes, if you wanted to, you can have it engraved. Yeah, so this is a very nice box that I keep the jewelry collection in. And the first thing that I have in my jewelry collection is this pair of silver emerald green diamond earrings. And I don't think that's a real emerald, but they're just very, very pretty. I'll hold them up so you guys can see them. Yeah, they're really just like elegant and very, very cute. This is one of those timeless pieces that I feel like is gonna be in my collection forever. Yeah, so that's the first item that's in my jewelry box, and I love these. The next piece that's in here, wait, I don't know, this, I'm not gonna show you guys this. I don't know why this is in here. Like, this is, I guess I'll show it to you guys since it's in here, but it's not really real or anything. It's not silver or anything, but it's just like a little stack ring. It's fake. The diamonds aren't real or anything, but, and I wasn't gonna show you guys pieces that weren't real, but since it was in there, I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. So that's what it looks like. And the next is this. So this is the one that isn't real, but this is the one that I have that's real. Like, this one is real silver. This is the fake one. So that's the real one. It's like a little, fits on my pinky there. So that was the third item. And this is the fourth item, which is like this. It's so real silver, and it's just like a very pretty ring. And I love that one, and I hold it up so you guys can see it too. That is very, very pretty, and I like that. And then next is this, my aunt gave me this ring. The diamonds are real and the silver is real, and it's like a little out of shape though, so I could take it to get it like polished and stuff like that, because you could definitely tell somebody like tested it and everything. So that's the one my aunt gave me, and I will always keep that one. And then next is this, is real silver. I had it tested. I found this one at Plato's Closet, the little drawers that they have with the rings in it. They don't do any testing there, so I've been able to find really good items. Like, some items I found that were silver, silver and real diamonds that I didn't keep. I pawned it because it was worth more to get rid of, because I had certain bills and stuff to pay. But Yeah, this is one of the ones I found. The diamonds aren't real, but it's real silver. So this is one, and then it looks like this. So it's almost like that. And it's real silver, but the diamonds just aren't real. So that's the last item that I have. And they all say 925 inside of the ones that are silver. Like, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 real silver rings, and I currently don't have any gold in here, just because I haven't bought anything gold. But I'm trying to build up my collection. Right now I'm just focusing on the silver pieces. So yeah, that's my little jewelry box, and those are the pieces that I'm holding on to. I do have a lot of costume jewelry, but I don't really want to make this video about the costume jewelry. I'll probably do the costume jewelry separately. But those are the pieces that I have. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys like and what you guys dislike. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and include a keyword. The keyword for this video is gonna be flag. So the keyword for this video is flag. So if you want to get an additional entry into the Mondays giveaway, email me the keyword flag so you get that entry. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And right now I'm looking for ideas on what to make my new videos about. So if you want to give me ideas, just comment below any of all of my videos and let me know some very good ideas to make my videos about. I will appreciate any ideas, any suggestions.